Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and pairing ready. Insert fresh batteries and confirm polarity. Weak batteries cause lag. Turn the TV on and wait a few seconds so the system boots fully. Once done, put the remote into pairing mode by pressing and holding the home and back buttons together for about 5 seconds. This signals the TV to accept the remote. Doing this now avoids missteps later and makes the connection immediate so you can move to navigation next. Now you learn how to control the TV efficiently. Point the remote at the screen and move your hand smoothly so the pointer tracks. This is faster than button mashing and explains why the pointer exists. Use the scroll wheel or arrow keys for precise menu movement and press OK to confirm selections. If your remote has a mic, hold the voice button and speak short commands to launch apps or search. This saves time and reduces menu digging. Make sure to practice a few simple actions to build confidence. Finish by testing full control. Open an app, navigate, and return home to verify responsiveness. If the remote is unresponsive, remove batteries for 10 seconds to reset it, then reinsert and repeat the pairing sequence. This often fixes simple sync faults. If problems continue, make sure your TV firmware is up to date in settings because outdated software can break remote compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: always try fresh batteries first. More than half of remote issues are power related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.